Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So children, here I am ready with the worksheets of week 4 and I hope that you people are also having worksheet with you all, and that is week 4, right? So please children, take out your worksheet number 10 in maths subject. See in your worksheet number 10, what you have to do? You have to count the numbers of object and write in the given box. There is a objects in your worksheet number 10. You have to count all the objects and you have to write correct number in the box. Okay? Come on, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So write number 18 in the box. 1, 8, 18. Next object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So what you have to write? You have to write 2, 1, 21 in the box. Now turn the page. Here also you have to count how many objects do you have, that you have to count and write in the box. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now you have to write 24 in the box. Okay? 2, 4, 24. Next object you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30, 30 you have to write in the box. Okay? Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 10. Now take out your worksheet number 11. Now in your worksheet number 11, what you have to do children? Match the same number. Same number you have to match. Suppose 11 here and one more 11 you have to see and you have to match with the same number, 11 to 11, like this. Okay? Already one done for you. Next number you have to see and you have to match. 1, 5, 15. You have to see where is the 1, 5, 15. There you have to match. 1, 5, 15. Now here is the 1, 5, 15. So match over there. Now 2, 0, 20. Check the number 2, 0, 20. Where is the 20? There you have to match. Here is the number 20. Come on, match over there. 2 to 22. One more 2 to 22. You have to check and you have to match over there. Here is the 22. Now you have to match over there. 2, 8, 28. Where is one more 28? There you have to match. Here is the one more 28. Now 2, 8, 28. Here you have to match. Now last number 3, 0, 30. That is very easy to match. 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30 is here. Match over there. Now turn the page. Now here what you have to do? Write the missing numbers from 1 to 30. There is a missing numbers that you have to write in the dash. Okay? 2, 1, 21 already is there. 23 already is there. So which number you have to write there? Write properly, write correctly. Okay, missing numbers you have to write. How many numbers missing over there? Just read properly and write properly. 21 after 22 you have to write. Now 23 already is there. After 23, which number I should write here? 24. 24. 25 after, which number I should write here? 2, 6, 26. Okay. Now 27 already is here. After 27, which number I should write here? 30, 40. No. I have to write here 2, 8, 28. Okay. Now 29 already is here. After 29, which number I should write here in the dash? 1, 2, 10. No. Which number I should write here? After 29? 3, 0, 30. I have to write here, okay? Now we have completed these missing numbers. After this, now write the numbers from 21 to 30 in the tree given below. Wow! What you have to do here? In the tree, I have given you dash, dash, dash. In that dash, what you have to write? You have to write the numbers from 21 to 30. Come on, start writing. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. Like this, you have to complete your numbers from 21 to 30. Where you have to write? In the given tree and in the dash. There is a dashes in the tree. There in the dash you have to write the numbers from 21 to till 30. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 11. Now please take out your worksheet number 12. So ready with the worksheet number 12? Look here, what you have to do here in worksheet number 12. You have to write the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay? Start writing. See the numbers and write properly. First read the numbers. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Same numbers you have to write here, okay, in the boxes. Come on, start writing. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. Please children, touch the line and write properly. When I correct the worksheet, some students they have what they have done? In the middle of the box they have written the numbers. So you should not write like that, okay? Touch the line and write properly. 1, 4, 14. See how I am writing? I am not writing in the middle of the box. Like this I am writing. No, this is wrong. Like this you have to write. 1, 1, 11. Touch the line and write properly. Write equally both the numbers, okay? Now 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. Touch the line and write properly. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2020. Now same you have to write here in the other boxes also. Okay, touch the line, write properly, write equally both the numbers. If you are writing 1 1 11, equally you have to write the 11 and touch the line and write. Okay, you should not write in the middle. Now turn the page. Now here back side what you have to write? Write the numbers from 21 till 30. Okay. So start writing. First I will read the numbers. Repeat after me. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Okay. Now start writing. 2 1 21. See how I am writing here. I am writing both the letter equally and I am touching the line also. 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26. Once again I am repeating that. See how I am writing here. I am touching the line and I am writing equally both the numbers. Okay. 2 7 27, 2 8 28. Write properly children. Touch the line. Read and write. 2 9 29, 3 0 30. One more line. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 12. Okay. Write with the neat handwriting. Write properly. Touch the line and write. Okay children. Now you know very well how to complete your worksheets. Write properly. Okay. Thank you.